be broken before you can use it?
Hi.
Hi.
So, what do you have?
7 boxes.
From
6.
Amazon. Yeah, actually, this has been piling up for days now. I actually forgot what's inside. So, open this one. So, we're gonna do unboxing again. Need help? Need cutter? Wait. Let me cut on this side. Hold it. Oh, yay! It arrived! It came from US, from Amazon US. It's called Picturica.
I'm interested in this. Let's open this.
Wait, this is Picturica. This one is a walkie picture hunt game from Hasbro. This one is cool. This is a cool game, Mama. We can play it. Okay, next.
Are these all games?
I forgot.
Yep, I'm starting to think they're all games.
Oh yeah, this is the 100 picks. And this is Riddles. And then there's another one. Oh, it's this small. It's bigger in the picture. This is word puzzles. So can you guess this? You see?
Wave goodbye.
Yeah, because look at how the goodbye is the font. It's like waving. So it's wave goodbye. And then this one, can you guess this?
Sure.
It's what gets wetter than more it dries.
Huh?
What gets wetter the more it dries? A towel. Yeah, let's open next.
Why do we have
That's for the birds. Yeah, I forgot I ordered.
birds?
Toy for the birds.
Now this box. Mama.
So here we have how many toys? Actually, I think we bought the same one for them last time.
Destroyed it.
Yeah, they destroyed it. Okay, this one, hold it. Careful with your hands. Okay. This is the mini printer. Remember, Mama, I told you?
Ooh.
I showed it to you. I was like,
Now this one, whatever this is.
cool. Wait. Yeah, this one we'll open it next time. We'll unbox this printer. This one is so cute. Another one. Oh yeah, I ordered 3 of those. Because one is for riddles, one is optical illusions, and one is word puzzle.
Last one.
This one I forgot. I
Forgot.
yeah.
What is this? Mama, I have a riddle for you.
Mm.
What has to be broken before you can use it?
What has to be broken?
Before you can use it.
What has to be broken before I can use it? It needs to be broken first
Yes.
before I can use money?
No.
Let's ask Dada.
Baba!
Yes.
I have a riddle for you. What has to be broken before you can use it?
What can be broken before you use
No,
it?
what has to be
What
broken
has to be broken?
so you can use it?
We need to break it first.
You need to break it.
It's not money?
No!
Will you break the money down and then so you
Nuts
can
or
use?
something, what you call that?
Should I say it?
Wait.
Should I say it?
Starts with the letter what at least?
No, it's so easy.
Okay, let's start with what letter?
I'll just do the end. G.
The first letter.
E.
Glass? Oh, wait, glass.
I'm gonna use it.
I'm gonna say it's egg!
Egg. Oh yeah. That's right.
And okay. What side of a cat has the most fur?
What?
What side of a cat has the most fur?
What side of a cat has most fur?
Yeah. It actually doesn't show the answer for this. Okay, Baba. What gets wetter the more it dries?
The more it dries,
It gets wet.
it gets wet.
I don't
It's
know.
wetter.
It's a
No.
towel.
Get wet.
Because it when it's drying you up, it dries you up, but then it gets wet.
Mama. Chance. This is the chance.
Big chance, fat chance, fat.
Yeah.
It's because it's fat, right? It's fat. So it's a cool game. You can even take it to school.
Yeah, and it won't get taken like the Uno cards by Mrs. Sally.
No, it has cards, so you better keep the cards.